Shock advised. Stay clear of patient. Press the flash.
Inside.
AEDs are now standard equipment in police cars. Thanks to the early treatment performed by these two officers, this patient survived.
Got it. Excuse me. I got scissors in my pocket. I got scissors. Start. There's the AED. Off your leg. I got clothes. Keep that going. Yep.
When patient chest is bare, open red plastic case and pull off white adhesive bag. Remove clothes from. Look carefully at the pictures on the white adhesive pad. Remove one white pad from the gray case. Place pad exactly as shown.
One.
Press firmly to bare skin.
Confirm, no pulse. No pulse right now. On one side.
When the first pad is peel the place pad exactly clear of patient.
Clear.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Stay clear of patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Stay clear of patient. Press the flashing orange shock delivered. Ensure emergency medical services have been called. It is safe to touch the patient. Begin CPR. For help with CPR, press the flashing blue button.
CPR about a minute and a half now. 1 AED. How long has it been down? 5 minutes since before we got here.
We'll drag him down.
You're in. Go ahead.
1 minute, 45 seconds.
I want to pull him out.
Any medical problems?